You're here about the car wreck?
Yep, I'm Peter.
And I'm James.
Alexander Catalano.
And you're the insurance guy. Time to pay it.
How much?
Pay it all.
The bigger, the better.
Car wreck? Call Alexander and Catalano.
At 1-800-LAW-1333.
You're not gonna shoot me, are you?
No, this is New York.
We're gonna sue you.
Nobody messes with the heavy hitters.
Call 1-800-LAW-1333.
Honey, you were in a bad car accident. Don't you think we need a lawyer?
Lawyer? I don't need a lawyer.
Oh, really?
I don't need the directions. I don't need sunscreen. I don't need an electrician. Maybe we do need a lawyer. We should call Dudley DeBosier.
Demand Dudley DeBosier, 444-4444.
I got hurt in a car wreck, called the insurance company. They didn't want to talk to me. So I called Alexander and Catalano. You know, the heavy hitters.
Hurt in a car wreck? Want to get the insurance company's attention? Call us, Alexander and Catalano.
All of a sudden, the insurance company was yes, ma'am, and no, ma'am.
Bravo! Home run? Home run! Home run!
Nobody messes with those guys.
Hi, this is Lee.
It's my wife. She was hit by a big truck and they're taking her to the hospital.
Don't worry, I'll meet you now. What hospital?
Lee was there for us, and he made the trucking company pay $900,000.
You should have called Lee. Call Lee free.
Trailer trucks speed along our highways all day and night. These are speeding tons of steel and iron. They can be deadly. At Stillman and Friedland, we know the laws that protect you from these dangers. Call us for a full explanation. We have years of experience with truck collisions. If you have been injured, call now. Know your rights before you sign anything. Call Stillman and Friedland now.
También hablamos español.
I was just cruising along when this truck decided to change lanes without looking in. Next thing you know, I'm pavement surfing my way into a pile of medical bills and dealing with some adjuster that knows nothing about bikes. I knew I needed a lawyer that understands motorcycle accidents, so I called attorney Tom Sparks. Tom took my case and bam! He got me $150 grand.
Injured in a motorcycle accident? It kickstarts with Sparks.
Call 1-800-SPARKS-LAW.
Whether you are seriously injured in a car accident or at work on a construction site, be ready to fight the insurance company for every dollar you deserve. Be ready to fight their skilled lawyers who are looking for technicalities and loopholes to throw your case out of court or delay it for years. I am Peter Bongiorno at the Bongiorno Law Firm. For 30 years, I have won thousands of fights to ensure that our seriously injured clients got the money that they deserved. Call us at the Bongiorno Law Firm. We fight to win.
Stake your claim. Injured in a company vehicle accident? Stake your claim for medical bills, lost wages, and car repairs. Stake your claim with Wainwright Injury Lawyers. Call 888-8888. Wainwright Injury Lawyers.
We live in a world of chaos, a world where we can't always control what happens to us. We can never be quite sure what's around that next turn.
So I would say that life is inherently risky. And unfortunately, bad things sometimes happen, accidents happen. Sometimes there's this sense that we have to be independent, we have to do everything on our own, we have to pull ourselves up by our bootstraps. But that's not how the world really operates.
Sometimes the most painful part of an injury from an accident is seeing how it affects your loved ones. The attorneys of Allen & Allen will guide you through unfamiliar territory and fight for compensation.
You ready?
Let's go. To help you rise above it. Allen & Allen, the force of experience.
It's not how many hours we put in. It's how we put in the hours. It's not how well we know our clients. It's how well we know their case. It's not the years of experience. It's being a specialist in cases of personal injury. At the law firm of Hernandez and Browning, it's about winning and getting results. Juan Hernandez, board certified in personal injury trial law and working for you.
Studies show that long-term use of talcum powder is linked to ovarian cancer.
For years, the #1 manufacturer of baby powder failed to warn women about this serious health risk.
Now, thousands of women are coming forward to seek compensation.
If you were diagnosed with ovarian cancer and used baby powder regularly, call Cariati Law. They'll speak with you for free and help you find answers. Call 905-629-8040 for help.
For over 45 years, the trial lawyers at Kennedy, Cicconetti, Knowlton, Buitendijk, and Barnard have represented those seriously injured in auto and other types of accidents. KCKB Law also handles criminal and DUI defense, estates, and trusts. Kennedy, Cicconetti, Knowlton, Buitendijk, and Barnard, located at the KCKB Law Professional Building, 111 South Buckeye on the corner of Liberty and Buckeye Streets in downtown Worcester. Visit us online at kckblaw.com.
When we need assistance with certain aspects of our lives, we seek personal solutions. Some people call a personal trainer, others a personal assistant, or a personal shopper. Some even call a personal chef. But if you need help when you've been injured in an accident, you need to call me. At the law firm of Cindy Goldstein, we will fight for the compensation that you deserve. Personal attention, personal service. I'm Cindy Goldstein, your personal injury attorney.
So much love. What do insurance companies love? It's money. Making it and keeping it. That's their job. Our job is to get Georgia accident victims every penny they deserve. Our clients love that. Insurance companies don't. If you've been injured in an accident, call Montlick & Associates at 1-800-LAW-NEED.
If you're hit and injured by one of these big trucks, you need an attorney with experience. Attorney Gordon McKernan has recovered over $100 million in settlements and verdicts on behalf of his clients. Call 999-9999 or go to getgordon.com.
On average, there's 224 car accidents a day in Minnesota. If you end up physically or financially harmed through no fault of your own, Mesh Besher & Spence is your best call. Mesh Besher & Spence, Minnesota's first call for a personal injury attorney.
When you've been hurt in a car wreck, there are a lot of people that want to give you advice. But if you want the right advice, there's only one person you need to talk to. Hurt in a wreck and need a check? You know who to call.
Call 222-2222.
Now handling IBC filter cases.
I'm attorney Lloyd Baker. If you've been injured in an auto or motorcycle accident, don't hire a wimpy attorney. You need a powerhouse attorney that gets massive results. I won't back down from the big insurance companies. I take the insurance companies head on. I'm relentless and aggressive. I won't stop until I win big for you. I don't get paid until I win your case. I'm not just an attorney, I'm your injury attorney.
Lloyd Baker is on your side. Call 602-265-5555.
Ever notice how most lawyer ads look exactly the same? Let's take a person and give them a suit and a briefcase, and let's put them in front of a bookshelf, so they look really smart. But then the fine print says, this isn't actually a lawyer, it's an actor. Your case isn't cookie cutter. It requires real skill, knowledge, and a personal touch.
If you have been in an accident, you probably have a lot of questions, such as, how am I going to pay my medical bills? How do I make up for time out of work? Or how do I get my car replaced? We have years of experience helping people like you receive the compensation that they deserve, even if no police report was filed or the other driver had no insurance. Even if the insurance company is avoiding your claims, we can help. Don't face the insurance company alone. We offer free consultations, so give us a call today.
After a serious accident, victims need fair compensation for injuries, damages, pain, suffering, medical bills, and lost wages. Injury victims need someone who will fight for their legal rights.
Have you been hurt in an accident with an 18-wheeler or another car? Have you suffered personal injury at work and do not know what to do next? A lot of attorneys work hard to get your attention, but then just treat your case as a number on a file. Not us.
Seriously injured? Medical bills and insurance adjusters shouldn't add stress to your recovery. You need compensation now, and you don't have time to waste. You shouldn't have to worry about paying for help.
This could be Kyung, father of two. This could be Gary, newly married. This could be Sunil, only child.
When people call us with questions, one of the most typical inquiries is, what is my personal injury claim worth? There are multiple factors that come into play, and of course it's impossible for an attorney to give you an accurate judgment on that question when they talk to you for the first time on the phone. The primary factors to look at are the type of accident, the type of treatment, the length of treatment, prior medical history, and any long-term consequences that you may suffer as a result of your injuries. All of these factors come into play, as well as a few other factors such as where your accident happened. If your accident happened in an urban county, studies have shown that urban counties have a slightly higher rate of jury verdicts than in the more rural counties. If you have any other questions regarding this or any other issue, please check out our website or call us for a free consultation.
When hurt in a car accident that wasn't your fault, you should call Daggett Schuler first before you call the insurance company.
You don't deal with insurance companies every day, but we do. Don't get hurt twice. Call us. At Daggett Schuler, we'll fight to get you the maximum recovery. You pay us nothing up front, and we don't get paid until you do. It's that simple.
You can depend on Daggett Schuler.
After an accident, call Daggett Schuler at 724-1234.
You can depend on us.
Big trucks can cause big injuries. And if you've been hurt by one of these monsters of the road, get someone that's bigger than they are. And let's get you paid. I'm attorney Ken Nugent. When it comes to big truck wrecks, I'm at the top of my game. So if you've been hit by a big truck, stand up to them and call me. One call, that's all.
If you've been hurt by a big truck, come out on top.
Call 1-800-CALL-KEN. That's 1-800-CALL-KEN.
I'm attorney Ken Nugent. Whether you've been hurt here near downtown or on I-20 or anywhere here in the Augusta area, just call me. I'm attorney Ken Nugent. Whether you've been hurt near Piedmont Park or over in Decatur or downtown or anywhere in the Atlanta area, just call me. I'm attorney Ken Nugent. Whether you're hurt over here near Riverside Drive or over by Macon Coliseum or anywhere here in the Macon area, just call me.